Hello, this is Robert Alves, and today I'm gonna teach you about caldo de res or puchero de res. Uh, First thing, what is caldo de res? Caldo de res is a really good, nice, hearty soup with a really delicious beef broth. Uh, the origins of caldo de res is very ingrained into Hispanic culture. It was first brought by the Spanish settlers and Spanish colonists in Mexico, but it's in the 16th century. But it is widely spread in all of Hispanic America and a lot of countries in the Hispanic origins. Uh, First, like my grandma said always, we're gonna get the freshest ingredients, and she usually had bought those ingredients in the mercado. But since we don't have a mercado here in the States, I'm gonna go using HEB. HEB is a great place to buy all these ingredients. So first of all, for my list of ingredients, I have potatoes, corn, zucchini squash, carrots, cabbage, my bone-in beef shank, which is my protein, my garlic, my bay leaves, and the cilantro. You always need some spices. For the cooking process, I'm gonna fill up half of a soup pot with water, and I'm gonna let it boil in low heat. Once the water's boiled, I'm gonna put on my beef shank, and I'm gonna put my garlic, my cilantro, and some salt. Excuse me, just my garlic and my salt in the beef shank. Once once it boils, we're gonna leave it boiling for an hour and 30 minutes. That way the beef is tender. Once my beef is tender, I'm gonna take the meat and put it on a different container. That way I leave the broth ready for the vegetables. Of course, I would have cut my vegetables in halves or cut in smaller pieces. That way it fits better on the pot. With my vegetables in the pot, I will cook them for around 15 to 20 minutes. That way the vegetables are tender. Once it's tender, I would go ahead and put back my beef shank, my protein, and I will pretty much mix them well, stir it up really well. That way its consistency is better mixed together as a soup. Once it's ready, I will probably accompany this with some tortillas or just put some lemon acidity to make it taste really good, because I love it that way. On the sense of back to it, in the sense of the Mexican version, in Mexico they usually eat this in winter, but a lot of Hispanic countries also eat it in winter. But it can be served throughout the year, since a lot of food joints serve it as a kind of like a fast food, which is called comida corrida. But at the end of the day, caldo de res is caldo de res, and it's delicious, even though there's different versions in Latin America, Hispanic America.